Moin! Now I will show you how to take this 6 apart. We will open it and look at all the things and how easy it is to repair. Okay, first we open this again. My fingernails are too short. Then we have here the battery. We will take it out. And then we have over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 screws. It's a lot of screws, but it's very easy to unscrew, to take them out, instead of losing glue or something like that. Okay, I will start now. It's a little Torx 3 I will have here, and a screwdriver, not this one, but one like a Torx 3, is delivered with the phone, so that you don't have to buy an extra screwdriver. Okay, you don't need to have attention where to put the screws. Oh yeah, a little bit too, but because don't throw them away, then you will have problems to find them. Because all the screws used in the phone are the same size, same length, and there's no possibility to mix them up. It's very easy, and it's especially made like this so that you can repair it very easy, and everybody can repair it. You will get all these parts. You can order as spare parts in the shop later on, not right now, because 6 will be delivered in some 2 months, nearly 2 months. So this is the first tear down, as you say, for this phone, so that you will know what the exactly things are. Okay, the technical details you can find in the shop, so I won't say anything about that. And yeah, it lasts a little bit, but I think it's not a problem to do that, and everybody can do it, except you will have 2 left hands. But I think everybody of you has not. Okay, now we will turn it around, and the first, which is going away, is the display. And then you can see how easy it is to change the display if it is broken. It's not glued in or something like that, but you need a fingernail, go around a little bit. It's not even pressed in, but it sits a little bit, so it has to. And then go around with the fingernail, and now I open it up. But be careful, because there is you will see it right now. You can see it right now. Here is a cable, and if you do it too fast, then you could break it. Okay, then we have to unscrew 2 more screws, because this part here is only to fix the 2 cables, so that they can't come out. And now I will use the other. Take these 2 out, and then you can take away this piece of metal. You don't need a tweezer, but you can. And then this connector here, you only go with your fingernail right under it and lift it up. If you have good fingernails, long fingernails, it's easier. Or you use something like this, and then you will have it. Okay, this is the first spare part. It's a display. It will come like this if you order it in a shop. Here you will have here is a small speaker for telephone. Here is a little piece of plastic in. It's only to cover the sensors and the LED. That's nothing else in here. You can take them away. It's only fixed with a double-sided tape, and you go under it and throw it, and you got it. Okay, you can. I won't do it right now because it's a little bit. If you do it too often, then you have to use a new tape, and normally the tape is delivered with a spare part, but I don't use it. I only show you this. Okay, now we will take out the part to the antenna, loosen it. Then we have some more screws first we will loosen this connector. We will lose this connector. Then here is one more screw at this point, and here is one more screw. So the motherboard or the main board is fixed with 4 screws. So now you can take it out, the whole thing. Grab under it at some places and then take it out. It's not so difficult. Okay, I will go under here, but in any time be a little bit careful. Oops. Did I forget something? Did I forget something? No, not really. Yeah, here it is. Okay, there it comes. And then lift it up. Like this. Okay, now I've got it. So, but you have to be careful too, because over here there's another connector, and here is a connector. This is a fingerprint sensor and the LEDs for the back camera. Okay, now I will take this out, loosen this. Then I will show you something first at this part. Because very often, or not very often, but once in a while, the SIM card slots will break. So we have over here, you will see that's a connector too. And then these things are glued with double-sided tape. There's a double-sided tape under it. And you have to lift it up. And then I will take now something else. You can use a knife for it or something which is not too big, which is a little bit thinner. So, and now here again, I will take it from under here So I hope you can see it. There it is. See, this is the double-side tape. You will get a new one if you order this. And you can order this as a spare part when it is broken. I don't know any other smartphone where you can change these things without to iron or do something like that. So then we have the two cameras. Go back to this, and then I will. This is the front camera, the small one, and over here that's a little piece of tape. It's only for to fix it. I will take it away, then open the connector, and now we will have the big back camera. Yes, the only thing you can repair more in here, but that's only for experts and not for everybody, because you can break there a lot of things. So now we will have here you see the switch, and in here there is a piece of plastic. We have to take out this one over here, and it must go, it has to go like this. You have to go in here. Here is a point there. No, there, here. Yeah. Go under it. Here's a little piece of again a little piece of rubber for the wire, and then here it is. Come on out. It's not working like it should do, but normally it will spring out, but mine over here won't do it. Oh, okay, now I've got it. This is a spare part too. You can see the antennas over here, and now we have everything taken away. The fingerprint sensor you can take out too, but I won't do it because the other way there's tape under it, and if you do it too often, but okay, I can show you. You have to press over here. Oops. So like this. Then that is that's the knobs of the speaker and the power connector. Okay, now you can take this away. There you can see the double-side glue tape. You will get, if you order it as a spare part, you will get a new tape over here. Then you have to loosen the two, that's double-side tape 2 in over here. Then put this part to the other side, and you can lift it up the best from over here. but I told you, be careful. So now you have the fingerprint sensor with the LEDs. That's the spare part 2. No, now let's go to the bottom. We took the antenna out. It's connected over here. Take first this tape, unloosen this tape a little bit at one side. So over here and over there, like this. And then you can take the sub board, you can take out over here, and you can change with this, you can change the USB port if it's damaged. Take this, I have to unloosen this tape over here. Yeah, and then the antenna, but I will let it stay on here. That's the part. If the USB port is damaged, then you have to change this. Down here there are two speakers and the antenna for the mobile, and you have to take this out. It's not glued in, it's only a little bit after at some notches over here, but it's not really okay. Now I've got it. Here you can see the antenna, and the two speakers are in here. You can't change them, you have to change the whole part. This is a part you have to change. Okay, that's everything. We took it apart, and we will have a look at the pieces we can order as spare parts. You can have here the and the display for sure you can get as spare part too. So I hope you saw that everybody can repair this phone by himself or herself, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit, and then bye bye.